then the final thing is this, and this is a good picture because it really kind of showcases the equipment, right? So at the end of the day, so this is an on-highway truck. I'll show you in my next presentation. We've got agricultural tractors, construction equipment, that types of things. But as I told you earlier, we're really concerned about the whole piece of the equipment. So if I'm looking at, just in this case, the truck, right? So I've talked to you a lot about the engine. We talk about engine oil, and we talk about coolants. But I'm also worried about my axles. If I'm rolling trailers, I'm worried about the wheel bearing trailers, or the trailer bearings back here. I'm concerned about if I've got fifth wheels on them, how am I lubricating those? If I got chassis lubrication. So all those things also have to come into play to make sure that I'm providing the appropriate amount of protection on the truck. And so one of the other things that we're going to be doing this year is introducing a whole Delo family of products. And these are going to be premium products. So let me give you an example. So on axles, right? So axles typically on a truck, depending if you're using a typical GL5, API GL5 gear oil, 8090, 85140, you know, you may get 80,000 kilometers, 100,000 kilometers out of them before you're supposed to be changing the oil. Well, what if you can go 800,000 kilometers without changing it and still get great protection, no deposits? I mean, is that a value to you? It's easy to show what the cost savings are because guess what? You don't have labor every time you got to change. You don't have the cost of the lubrication every time you got to change. So those are some of the value things that we want to bring to you because one, it lowers your maintenance, lowers your operating costs, provides excellent protection, because at the end of the day, these are very well-performed, well-tested products. We've used them across the globe. But this is an opportunity then for you to kind of see the benefit out of the other components of your equipment.